Introducing the 2026 BMW 2 Series, where elegance meets exhilarating performance. Precision engineering and cutting-edge technology come together in a dynamic driving experience that's designed to thrill and captivate. Mild hybrid technology enhances efficiency and acceleration, while M-Sport exterior parts add a bold athletic look. This combination ensures a perfect blend of performance and style on every drive. Step inside and you'll find sport seats for exceptional comfort and support, while the illuminated aluminium graphite interior adds a sophisticated touch, creating an inviting cabin atmosphere. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge BMW today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 BMW 2 Series. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tyre and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.